YouTubers? Welcome back. Thanks again for checking out another one of my videos. And today we just got an update moto vlog. In terms of update on the scooter, so I just got it back from service. I just got a rear tire on it. I replaced the damaged exhaust system, so I went ahead and put the little short stubby on there. It does not have the power tip, so it's a little bit louder than the previous setup, which was the aluminum can with the power tip. It's also 4 inches shorter, and I'm not exactly sure how that's going to affect the sound or the performance, but I think it's a little bit louder because I don't have the power tip, and I'm back to like talking loud inside the helmet just so I can hear myself. It really sounds like the first day I threw on the Two Brothers exhaust, and I'll throw a link in the description on that. But on that first day, on my first ride with the Two Brothers, it was crazy fucking loud, and it sounds like that again. I'm talking loud, it's rattling in the helmet, but it sounds mean, definitely mean. So what happened with the accident? The guy offered to go ahead and pay cash for the damages, but if I went ahead and counted up every little thing that got scratched up, it was over $1,000. Like, it wasn't, you guys saw, it wasn't really crazy damage, but if I replace it new, because the scooter is like a year old and there's really no scratches on it, if I replaced it new, he was going to pay over $1,000. I tried to give him a discount at $1,000. He said he wanted to go to insurance instead, so we went ahead and filed the claim. He admitted wrongdoing, he admitted fault. The insurance company was actually pretty easy to deal with. An adjuster came out, he took pictures of everything. I took the scooter into the shop. We went ahead and looked up prices to replace parts, sent in the estimate. They approved it, no problem. I got a check, and I was like really close of taking that money and buying a big bore kit for the scooter. I was like, damn, I was in email conversations, going back and forth. How much is this? How much is that? I don't have anybody up here that will do the work, so I have to ship it down there. I have to pay for labor. I have to pay up for setup and blueprinting. I have to pay for the big bore kit. You know, oh, it's $1,200 for the big bore kit and $300 for labor, so it's like $1,500 bucks. I'm like, okay, cool. And there's like, oh, now you're gonna ship us the entire bike. Well, we have to break it down. There's another 4 hours of labor, so now we're at fucking $1,900. Plus you need an oil cooler kit, so we're at $22. And I was like, fuck, now it's like a $2,000 purchase, and it's like, man, I really want to do it. It'd be really cool to be part of that custom scooter scene. Oh man, and I still want to do it, but if you've seen in one of my other videos, like, you know, your New Year's resolutions and your goals, one of my goals is to be completely out of debt. No credit card bills, no loans, no nothing, completely out of debt by the end of the year. So I figured the more sensible thing to do is take that money and pay off the scooter. I had money to buy the scooter outright, but I'm trying to build my credit, which is the only reason I financed it. Let me just pay off the scooter, get the credit bump because I had built up some payment history and paid it off early. The money that I was paying on the scooter, start saving it. Or I can save that little bit of money, and what I really want to do next is, because the rear fender is all scratched up and the rear tail was broken. It was broken during the accident. I got half a tail right now, that I'm going to go ahead and look into buying the Koso afterburner LED tail lights. They have integrated turn signals, and also I want to get the tail out housing bad turn signals, and put that together, take off the rear tail and try to make a custom license plate holder and kind of turn it into a fender eliminator kit or a tail tidy for the Zuma, which will make it look so much fucking cleaner. I've seen a couple pictures on Instagram. So that's kind of like the next thing I want to go, and that's pretty much it, really. In terms of the updates for the Zuma, she's running good right now. She sounds loud. I got a new tire on it, so I'm taking it kind of easy out here. But I got the insurance money, I'm gonna pay off the scooter. I repaired what needed to be repaired. I can live with a couple of scratches if it means saving some money. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, thanks for the likes, thanks for hearing me out. It's just a traditional moto vlog today, a couple of Zuma updates and plans and ideas for future mods on the scooter.
Subject detected, 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 detected.